everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you with the steps to sign up for the Life360 account. Life360 is an amazing app that helps you stay connected with your loved ones. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have the Life360 application downloaded and installed on your device. Now let's open it. Once the app has been launched, tap on Get Started to start the sign up process. Next, you'll need to fill in your information one by one. Firstly, enter your country code by selecting your country from the drop-down menu. And then, type in your cell phone number, double-check to confirm, and press continue. Now, let's type in your first name, your last name, and press continue again. Enter your email address, press continue to proceed further. Now, carefully generate a password that fulfills the criteria of having at least 8 characters and includes letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you're done with that, tap Continue. Now, it's time to set up your family and friend circle. Press on the Continue button. If you're already provided with the code for your circle, enter it here. If otherwise, tap on Create a new circle at the bottom. Give your circle a name. This is a default name given by the app itself, but you can simply change it as you wish. Tap Continue once you're satisfied with the name. The app will generate a circle code for your loved ones to join. You can share it by tapping on the share code right at the bottom. Once you're done sharing, tap I'm done sharing. To describe your role in the circle, select any suitable role from the list. You can also add your photo. For now, I'm gonna skip it. To fully utilize the app's feature, enable all these requirements. To do that, tap on Enable here to share your location. Now, as directed, tap on Go to Settings and select Allow all the time. Now, tap on all these enable buttons and click Allow one by one respectively. Click Continue again. You can also add and name your address and places you and your circle are more likely to visit. Click Save. To add more places, tap Add another place or click I'm done adding places if you're done. Since it's a paid app, you can start a free trial for 7 days or tap Maybe Later to proceed. And you're done. You've successfully signed up for the Life360 application. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Thank you.